Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing one of the most common challenges in data warehousing and business intelligence, getting the latest values from a slowly changing dimension, SCD, dimension table. If you're working with large datasets, chances are you've encountered this issue before. SCDs are used to track changes in dimension tables over time, but they can be tricky to work with when it comes to getting the most up-to-date information. In this video, we'll explore the concept of SCDs, how they're used, and most importantly provide a step-by-step guide on how to get the latest values from an SCD dimension table. Whether you're a data analyst, a business intelligence developer, or just someone interested in learning more about data warehousing, this video is for you. So, let's start with the basics. A slowly changing dimension, SCD, is a type of dimension table that tracks changes over time. Unlike fact tables, which are used to store transactional data, SCDs are used to store descriptive information about the business, such as customer names, addresses, and product descriptions. The challenge with SCDs is that they can change slowly over time, meaning that the values in the dimension table may not always be up to date. For example, let's say we have a customer dimension table that tracks customer names and addresses. If a customer moves to a new address, we need to update their record in the dimension table. However, if we simply overwrite the old address with the new one, we'll lose historical data about where the customer used to live. That's where SCDs come in. They allow us to track these changes over time by creating multiple records for each customer, each representing a different point in time. Now, let's say we want to get the latest values from this SCD dimension table. We can't simply query the table and take the most recent record because there may be multiple records with different effective dates. Instead, we need to use a combination of date functions and filtering to get the latest value. Here's an example. Let's say our customer dimension table has 3 columns, customer ID, name, and address, and 2 additional columns for tracking changes over time, effective date and expiration date. To get the latest values, we would first filter out any records that are no longer effective, i.e., their expiration date is in the past. Then, we would sort the remaining records by effective date in descending order and take the top record. So, to summarize, SCDs are used to track changes over time in dimension tables. To get the latest values from an SCD dimension table, you need to use a combination of date functions and filtering. Filter out records that are no longer effective, i.e., their expiration date is in the past. Sort remaining records by effective date in descending order and take the top record. That's it for today's video on getting the latest values from an SCD dimension table. I hope this explanation has been helpful in understanding how to work with SCDs. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. If you found this video informative, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel for more content on data warehousing and business intelligence. And if you're feeling generous, share this video with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.